Hi, my name is Álvaro Lescano. I'm the pre-owned car director at Greenway Ford. Rest assured that we have inspected every one of our vehicles. We pride ourselves on having the best and largest pre-owned inventory in Orlando. Greenway Ford has the best pre-owned reconditioning process in Orlando. We go above and beyond customer expectations.
Greenway Ford has the cleanest like new used cars and trucks on the planet. We get our cars and trucks high definition HD clean, as close to factory line showroom quality as possible. Our cars rely on one of the best makeover processes in the country, the reconditioning standard.
The reconditioning process is where vehicles come in, whether they're new deliveries or trade-ins from other customers, and they go through a rigorous checkpoint process in both mechanical and detail. What we do is we have pre-formulated inspections to where we can go line by line and measure each attribute and do they meet the recon standard. We have one standard for both new cars, used cars, whatever the manufacturer is, and that standard is not for the vehicle but for the customer, whether it be safety, cosmetic, appearance, performance, and we make sure that no one deviates from that standard, and we have quality control measures to make sure that the same thing is done every time, and that's what we call the recon standard. Formulated checkpoints, inspections, guidelines for certified pre-owned vehicles, and what we call PDIs for new vehicles to make sure that they are set up to the recon standard. Well, as far as our detailing, we've actually had consultants hired to actually train the detailers on a particular standard. It's the same standard you would find with $100,000 sports cars. In fact, the trainers for these consultant crews are the group that details Air Force One. So we bring them in, they certify our detailers so that they can provide that single standard. We do not believe in variance. We do not believe in one car, one product gets more attention than the other. Every vehicle will get the recon standard. You know, you want to focus on the future, not what happened in the past, and it's our job to prep the car for the new customer, for that new experience. So we sanitize, we clean, and we also go above and beyond in cosmetics. Buff, show polish, sand scratches. We have world-class subletters that handle cosmetic imperfections that we can't handle. Scratches, dyes, tears in fabric. So what we do is we take somebody else's history and we turn it into a new experience for a new customer. We have the same standards for new cars as well. We're not going to just deliver a car coming from the manufacturer to customer without going through the recon standard. So we have the same inspection processes, we have the same cleanliness standards and quality control measures to make sure that new car meets the same expectations for that customer. We need to provide the support for the sales staff that they have the utmost confidence that when they show that vehicle, that customer can immediately bond and immediately see themselves driving it and not think about anything else. And that's our standard, that's our promise to the sales staff and to the customer.